Welcome to FX Street. If you like what we're talking about, you like to get updated to the content we're doing on a regular basis, head on over to YouTube, join our channel, hit that subscribe button. Follow Akash and I on Twitter, Akash at Magneko, and myself at JustAnalysis1. Taking a look at my baby, Cardano. So a couple trade ideas back going from Monday to today. And I think both of these I talked about on Monday. I can't remember. But we had an entry on the pull pattern here on the 1 cent and 3 box reversal chart with an entry at 112. That triggered and is working out very nicely. A little bit of a pullback. The ultimate target on this one is a little bit lofty. It's quite extended. This is based on the actually it's a little higher now because of that horizontal method, but 170 is the zone there. And on the 5 cent 3 box reversal chart, this one's a little bit more structurally sound. This is a really powerful bullish reversal setup in point and figure. The triple bottom that failed to break down below any further than 2 boxes. This is a shakeout setup. It's the strongest form of a bear trap in point and figure, and the target on that is about 225 right now. From a candlestick perspective on the daily chart, things are sitting pretty nicely here. In between the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen, really need to get a close above that 382 retracement and the Kijun-sen at 134-ish. Really need to close at 134. That will more likely trigger the rest of the upside momentum needed to continue higher. On the monthly chart, I'm just going to reference back to how stupidly low the composite index is on the monthly chart. It's at the lowest it's been since, you have to go back to October of 2019 to match the low that was here. So you look at the corresponding, or the trough from October 20th, or the trough here on the composite index. Just look at the green arrows. There's higher lows, higher closes on the price chart, lower lows and lower closes on the monthly chart. And in candlestick analysis, we know that the higher the time frame, the more relevant and the more weight to give the chart. So the monthly chart, plus Cardano's never had 5 consecutive months of a monthly close below the open, 5 red or 5 black consecutive monthly candlesticks. It's never happened. And it's developing a really strong reversal candlestick on the monthly chart right now. So yeah, I mean, I'm very bullish on it just from this, even from a mean reversion setup on the monthly. Even if I was bearish on it, I would have a hard time denying that there's not a very strong bounce coming here structurally. So anyways, downside risks I see are limited down to the $1 even zone, and then upside potentials limited to that $2 to $2.25 range. Pass it off to you, Akash. All right, and so Akash's
Thank you, John.
could not handle the heat that my AFAX were dropping on him, so he's back.
Okay. I think it was somewhere in this week where I wrote a premium article for ADA, and I mentioned, I think we did it in the video where I mentioned Cardano was due for an uptrend, and these are the targets that I mentioned were really important: 1.35, 1.38, 1.41, and in a highly bullish case, we could probably retest the 1.45 weekly resistance level, which kind of coincides extremely well with this H4 supply zone ranging from 1.46 to 1.51. And so far, things are going pretty good, and we've retested these 1.35, the first target, and set up somewhat of a triple top setup here, kind of similar to what happened over here. So there is quite a bit of liquidity resting here from 1.38 to just anything above this is an area of liquidity. So 1.38 to 1.41 is what I'm going to mark out right now. And I think we're going to get another retest of this weekly support level here over the next few days. And we're going to make way and retest the other targets. So nothing's changed for Cardano since my last analysis. So yeah, these are the upside targets. As for the downside targets, I just wanted to be a little extra careful, so I placed my stop loss below the steady demand zone at 1.01, and so far it's working out pretty good. So the reason why I showed this is for the downside scenario for Cardano, I think is capped at 1.01. Anything below this, this bullish thesis kind of falls apart, and we could see it going lower, which I'm pretty sure John doesn't like. So, but
Hate,
yeah, I think yeah,
much
you hate it.
hate. No, that's true though. Yeah, there's a lot of risk below there.
Yeah. So as you can see, a triple tap setup here, which led to this massive uptrend, 3x. Yeah. Yeah, almost a 3x gain that we saw here. So there's quite a bit of liquidity resting below 1.01. So you just be aware. That's it, John.
All right. Thank you, Akash, and thank you everybody for watching. Have a great weekend. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.